What's up, guys, and welcome to my kitchen. So today I am going to tell you how I do quick meals that are less than 30 minutes, and they are delivered right to your door using this amazing service called HelloFresh. This is a sponsored video. I'm partnering with them for this video. Anybody doesn't like it, to the left. If you don't know what HelloFresh is, it is a food delivery service that you can get meals delivered to your front door weekly, and it's really nice because you can customize it. If you're a vegetarian, if you're a meat eater, what condiments are things that you like and what you don't like, and how many people are in your family. You have total control over what you put in these boxes. I'm so excited because for me, and my husband can tell you, I am not a very good planner, dinner maker. I can follow a recipe, but like if I don't have a recipe in front of me, then it's really hard for me to come up with something to do. I'll just be like, let's just do spaghetti. And this kind of does the hard work for you. You just have to make it. And it's really simple, and most meals are under 30 minutes. So if you're busy, if you're a working parent, then this is probably gonna be a lifesaver for you. So I wanna go over what they sent and the meals that we're gonna make. So this is an example of one of the first meals that we're gonna cook, which is the Korean beef bibimbap.
Bibimbap.
How do you say that? It's just kind of like a Korean bowl, which Asian food is my favorite. Basically, it comes with the beef, the white wine, the ginger, the carrots, the soy sauce, the jasmine rice, sesame oil, mushrooms, a zucchini, another pack of soy sauce, sriracha, and then your green onions. That is how easy it is. You literally have to do no brain work except cooking it. So it shows it there, and then there is the way you prep it. Very easy. Okay, so starting with the Korean meal, I am browning meat, cooking the rice, and Sexy over here is chopping up the veggies. And then this is for the next meal. This is so far pretty easy, and yeah.
Looks delish.
So this is somewhat the end result of the Korean bowl. Oh, it looks so good, and it smells so good. It's making my mouth water, just like you do. It's this smells. I cannot wait to eat. And look how much this meal would feed. I would think that would feed
our whole family.
Yeah, that would feed 5 people for sure. Like if you had small bowls, I would say. But definitely if you had 2 or 3 people in your family, that would probably be a 1 or 2 day meal. And we are almost done with the potatoes, and then I'm gonna roast these. See if that works. And then over here, we are about to cook the chicken. The key to chicken, if you guys don't know, this is what my husband does because he makes the best chicken, is get your skillet really, really hot. Right, babe? Put oil in there.
Well, the true key is to brine your chicken. We're going to be serious here. Brining it. Look it up. It's the only way to do it. But if you're not brining, you don't have the time to soak and all of that. But you can do a dry rub of just salt, like kosher salt, and then slap that puppy on a hot-ass skillet.
The potatoes are done. Green beans are done. And then this is the dill sauce, dill funk. This is the sauce that we are going to put over the chicken. And the chicken is almost done. I mean, this is going to be so good. Okay, guys, so we are testing out the dinner, and we love it. I look atrocious. I have no makeup on. But we love it. It's so good. And I do have a coupon code for you, which is FlowerBond50. You get 50% off your first week at HelloFresh. And I will put the link in the coupon code below. It's so, so good. And let me just show you the finished product. That is the chicken, the dill chicken.
Okay, you can do one. Look at that.
And then this is the Korean bowl. Oh, it looks so yummy. And that's
all.
And if you guys, sorry, you want to show them?
And as always, the most important part of any healthy dinner is Ale 8. From
Yeah.
Manchester, Kentucky, representing.
How come you don't
We're
get me any?
like we drink that stuff on an IV.
Yeah, I'll get
pretty much.
some.
We have an IV of it. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will put all the links that you need to know
Aiden.
down below.
Cheers.
Say hi, Noli.
Hi.
You should get your hair done.
I'll share it.
See you later.